Every day, the top 50 users on the leaderboard each earn 1,500 naira. As long as you stay on the leaderboard, you will keep getting 1,500 naira every day. The person in the top spot gets 5,000 naira. The second person gets 3,000 naira. The third person gets 2,000 naira. Siamu, live, legit update. I do not like beating around the bush. The name of this app is Monica. But before you rush to Play Store or App Store to download it, calm down and let me show you the proper way to use it. Because apart from earning money daily, you can also use it to buy your gift cards, airtime, mobile data, cable TV subscription, and even pay for your electricity bills. And it is in the process of doing this that you earn money. Now let me show you properly. So straight and direct to the point, head over to your App Store or Play Store and search for Monica. Okay, this is Monica. And you download this app. And make sure to use my referral code showing on your screen right now so you can stand the chance of winning amazing prizes from me in particular or even from Monica. Who knows? Now, when you are done, just open the app and do basic sign up. Okay, this registration process is simple. Just sign up and do your KYC. So I open Monica and you can see right away how simple the platform is. It is very easy to use. Now, the first thing I want to show you is how to deposit here. Okay, and there's something incredible about this because you can actually deposit with cryptocurrency. Okay, any crypto of your choice, and you can get it. You can get the Naira equivalent right here. So when you click on deposit, you can see the Monica. Just click on view wallet and you can see that you can get unique wallet address to deposit. You can get instant conversion, instant withdrawals, and top tier security. So I click on get started. And you can see that you can deposit with BTC, BNB, Ethereum, Tron, USDT. So from any of these points, you can actually click and you obtain your address and you send your crypto. So now you look at it, you can see, and you can see, let's take USDT for example. Look at this Binance Smart Chain network, that's BNB Smart Chain, minimum deposit of 5 USDT. This is the Ethereum, this is the TRC20, the Tron network, okay? Now, the next thing I'm going to also show you is when you come here, under this place bill payments, you will see that you can top up your airtime with this, top up mobile data, cables, electricity bills, betting wallet, and even your gift cards. Okay, you can actually buy your gift cards here. Now, let me show you what you people have been waiting for, which is the leaderboard. Now, before we come to even the virtual card, come to profile right here, and you can see the leaderboard. This is the leaderboard. Okay, let's go back. When you come to your profile right here, you can see this is your profile, this is my profile, and this is the leaderboard, the referral program, customer support, and security. So when you click on leaderboard, click on view leaderboard, you can see that this is the first person, and you can see his username right here, though all of them are not displaying, but this is real. This is the first person, this is the second person, this is the third person. This guy is getting 5,000 naira as long as he remains here, 5,000 naira every day. Anybody that is taking first gets 5,000 naira every day. Second person gets 3K, third person gets 2K. Look at other people too that still are qualified to earn stuff, to earn 1,500 naira every single day as long as they remain on the leaderboard, which is the top 50 people. Okay, so now how do these people get here? They got here by just doing transactions, performing transactions on this app. These are the normal things you do every day: your airtime top up, your mobile data, okay, electricity bills. Just when you use this app and you do the normal spending that you do, you are going to find yourself in the leaderboard as long as you do sustainable amounts and it qualifies you to enter the leaderboard. Okay, now right away from here, virtual card. This one is very, very interesting. You can actually create your Monica virtual card, USD card, and it will just cost you only $2. Very cheap, one-time fee. Okay, which you can use on international merchants websites. Okay, even connect to PayPal, do a lot of things with it. Okay, now before you get your virtual card, you must have to complete KYC. In fact, I recommend that you complete KYC before you start anything. So the very first moment you register, you are going to see complete KYC around here, and you click on complete KYC and just proceed with your on-screen instructions. It's very simple. Take a selfie and all that. Okay, now when you go back to profile once again and you click on referral program. There is something very interesting here. Now look at this. Refer and earn 200 naira bonus instantly. Now it's not just about earning only 200 naira instantly. Look at this. When you read, invite your friends to Monica and earn 200 naira bonus instantly for each of their transactions. Now what does this mean? That if you invite your friend and someone signs up under you and you earn 200 naira, and that person is using this Monica app to perform activities, perform financial transactions, buy data, cable TV or whatever, you will still be earning. Okay, so this is a win-win for everybody. Okay, now also remember that before you can get all these bonuses, that your friend needs to do at least $10 upwards. Okay, at least $10 upwards, $10, $11, $12, $13, anything above that, above $10, okay, you qualify for bonus. Okay, then you can get your referral code. Okay, and from here you can view your referral performance. Okay, and how many people have signed up under you and how much you've earned and whatever. Okay, so another good thing about this is that you can also withdraw to your Nigerian bank. You can withdraw to your Nigerian bank from here. If you click on transfer, you can actually withdraw to your Nigerian bank. Okay, yeah. So now let me just show you something real quick. When I come here, let's say for instance I want to do airtime top up. Okay, so I come here. It's very simple. Click on this place, select the phone number, and then let me put in the phone number. Okay. If I like, I can save as beneficiary. So I save this as beneficiary. And I click on what top up. And you can see instantly recharge of 500 naira was successful. You can see that. So this is very simple, and this is how easy it is to work. Okay, to use Monica app. Just look at how it worked instantly, like few seconds. Now another thing that you can still do is that there is free bank transfer, which is just interesting. A lot of banks nowadays, once you receive money, they charge you 50 naira. Once money enters, once money this and this. But for Monica, okay, there is free bank transfer. So when you transfer money, no charges. Okay. And also, you can also follow Monica on social media. You can see, look at this. You can follow them on Instagram and on Twitter at Monica Nigeria. Okay, you can see it. So this is the username. Okay, you can see it. So you can follow Monica on social media. Okay, to stay updated. Now I click on transfer. Okay, let me transfer some money to my bank account. So I put the amount. Let me put 5,000 naira. Okay. Yeah, and I click on purchase. Okay. It will ask you, are you transferring to a Monica user or to a bank account? I'm transferring to a bank account. And then I select Kuda. Okay, let me send to my Kuda bank account. So this is my Kuda Microfinance Bank. And then I put in my bank account number. Okay, you can see instantly detected my name. I click on save as beneficiary, and then I proceed. And you can see what I talked about. The transfer fee is free. No hidden charges. Okay, so this is just amazing. So I click on confirm. I use my Face ID. And you can see, voila, transfer successful. Okay, you sent 5,000 naira to me. Okay, 1 minute for the Frederick. Okay, so close. So let's go back to the home page. And you can see that the money I just left my account. So let me head over to my Kuda right away and let me check if this transaction has been received. Let's see how fast I will get this transaction. You can see ASAP is right in here. Look at this. Look at this. This is it. You can see it right now. No editing done. Look at it, 5,000 naira. This is it. You can see instantly it came in. Okay, instantly it came in. You can see it. Okay, so this is how it works. This is how it works, guys. So make sure to sign up on Monica, do your KYC, and enjoy the features here, and also stand a chance of winning cash prizes every single day through the leaderboard, and also earn money through the referral program. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you are yet to download the Monica app, kindly do that from Play Store or App Store. And don't forget to use my referral code, which is showing on your screen right now. Also do well to refer your friends and family members so they too can enjoy the good features of the Monica app. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.